Let's discuss percentage technique. We have here an example. What is 8% of 7,280? Percent means per 100. So that would be 8 divided by 100. Of means multiplication. So times 7,280. So 8 divided by 100 is equals to 0.08 times 7,280. So 0.08 times 7,280 is equals to 582.4. So our answer is 582.4. This is the 8% of 7,280. Today ay isi-share ko sa inyo ang one way kung paano mag-solve ng percentage ng madalian na hindi na tayo gagamit ng calculator, especially if ganitong mga problems yung ma-encounter natin. We have here our example, yung first example natin, what is 4% of 104? The first thing na gagawin natin ay i-multiply natin ang 4 sa 1. So, that will be 4. So, 4. So, lagay po tayo dito ng dot. Then, 4. So, again, multiplication. 4 times 4, 16. So, the answer is 4.16. 4% po ito ng 104. Second example, what is 7% of 501? So, again, i-multiply lang po natin ang 7 and 5. So, 7 times 5 is 35. Then, lagay ulit tayo dito. Then, next, 7 times 1 is 7. The answer is 35.7. Next one, what is 9% of 308? So, again, 3 times 9 or 9 times 3 is 27. Lagay ulit ng dot. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 I mean. The answer is 27.72. This is the 9% of 308. So, next one, what is 6% of 709? So, how about this one? What is the answer? Today, we're gonna learn percentage technique. We have here an example. What percent of 500 is 35? So, we have here the choices. A is 9%, B 8%, C 7%, D is 6%. First, to solve that, we are going to write P. P is 4%. Then, of, that means multiplication. After that, 500 is equals to 35. So, again, our formula is P times 500 is equals to 35. In order to eliminate 500, we are going to divide 500 to 500. Then, also the 35. Okay, we're going to divide it into 500. So, this one. Then, P is equals to 35 over 500. So, 35 divided by 500, that would be 0.07. So, in order for us to get the percentage, we're going to multiply 0.07 sa 100. 100 kasi percentage yung hinahanap natin dito. So, 0.07 times 100 is 7. So, our answer is 7%. Okay, so it's letter C. So, 7%.
Magic